What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. So first things first, chopped off my hair and dyed it a little bit lighter. I mean, the dye doesn't really bother me because I dye my hair all the time, but the cut, still trying to get used to it. I mean, my hair was touching my butt, so this was a big change. But anyways, it's been a long time since I've filmed. I filmed actually 3 other videos before this one and I've hated every single one of them. So technically I've filmed, but it's been like 5 months since I've actually posted a video. So yeah, hopefully if you're watching this, that means I finally posted this video after 5 months. You would think, you know. Anyways, so today's video is on this makeup look right here. Honestly, I was trying to go for a fall look and it ended up being like a purpley pink look. Basically a look that I do every single time. This is a typical look. But anyways, I hope you guys like it, and if you want to see how I get this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I already did the usual, primed my eyebrows and primed my eyebrows, primed my eyelids off camera. And now we're just gonna go straight into the eyes. I have no idea what I want to do. Listen, I've filmed 3 other videos. This is my 4th one trying to upload a video, so I don't know what's going on. I think I'm too hard on myself. Or like I think I'm too picky. I don't know. I just don't like how they come out. So I'm not gonna think about it. I'm gonna just go for it. I know I wanna do something dark. That's about it. So that's what I'm going for. And I'm using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette and go in with Burnt Orange, which is this shade right here. It's the perfect transition shade. The next shade I'm gonna pick up is, what is this, Sienna? And just put in the crease, because that's what we're doing. We're just putting everything in the crease, because I have no idea what kind of look we're going for. So after that shade, we're gonna go take Mulberry, which is this shade right here, and apply that to the outer corner and bring it into the crease as well. Now with a smaller brush, we're gonna go in with Cypress Umber, which is this brown right here, and put it on the outer corner too. But just do it. Put it on there. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna go in with Noir. I don't know. I think that's how you pronounce it. We're gonna go in with a black, any black, doesn't matter. And just add that to the outer corner too. We are just getting real smoky out here. Okay. Now for the fun part, we're gonna add Sultry, which is this shade right here, and we're gonna apply that to the lid. And we're gonna use our fingers because we have no acrylics on right now. We have a clear nail polish. I am a changed woman. No, I'm just kidding. It's on purpose. Those acrylics are coming back very soon. we're just gonna line the upper lash line. No falsies. No liner. I haven't done liquid liner in forever, and I don't plan on doing it. I don't know, wings are not vibing with them anymore. Go ahead and put some black gel liner. This is from Pretty Vulgar. It's called Blacklist ink. I don't know. Just any black gel liner will do the trick. And again, same thing, just put it in the, what is it called? Upper lash line, waterline. Look, I'm filming at night. This is a whole new vibe for me. I'm kind of out of it. I think the other 3 videos didn't go as planned because I filmed it all at the same time. So I'm like trying to switch it up. Maybe at nighttime. Maybe night works better for me. I know mornings do, that's for sure. But so the lashes I'm using today are the Christina Lashes. They're just some wispy natural lashes, but I made a mistake last time and I didn't like curl them up because they looked pretty long on, and then after it looked like I had no lashes on. So first things first, we're gonna go in with mascara. My all-time favorite mascara is the Lash, I can't speak. It's this bottle. It's by Maybelline. So I'm gonna put these lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, and now to prime my face, I'm using the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. I've already moisturized my skin. So just going straight in with primer. Now for foundation, I'm going in with my all-time favorite combo ever. Literally every single time that I put my makeup on and I use these 2 foundations together, I get endless compliments on my skin. So they're expensive, but you need them in your life. You just do. They're worth it. So first, I'm going in with the Hourglass, what is it? Vanish Stick Foundation. And I do put a lot of this one because this is going to give me the full coverage that I need. And then on top of that, we are gonna go in with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. So I have this new thing of applying my foundation with a brush. I'm just living for how it looks right now. Okay, now this step is totally unnecessary, but it's necessary for me right now. I feel like I have the darkest under circles lately, and I'm not understanding why. But we're just gonna go in with the, what is this? The Becca Under Eye Brightening Concealer. I'm just putting it in my darkness, like in the areas that get super dark, which is right in the front, right in this sucker. We're just gonna leave it like that. Yeah, we're done. We're done. No, I'm just kidding. Obviously. Now, for what do I do next? Concealer. I do concealer. So for concealer, I've been loving the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I'm just a fan. And for concealer, I do still use a damp sponge to blend it out. So for concealer, we just did concealer. For contour, I'm going in with the Makeup Forever foundation stick, and I love this to contour. Set the under eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade Light Medium. And you want to go in and make sure you blend your under eyes first, and then go to town with this sucker. See, just look at the difference from this side to this side. Freaking crazy. This powder, oh, so good. And then for bronzer, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Can I not talk today? The Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Saddle. Okay, and now for a highlighter, I'm using the new Laura Mercier. What is this? It's a loose, they call it their loose transition setting powder, but glow, or in the shade Glow. It's more like a highlighter to me, but I love it because it's such a like subtle skin-like highlight that I'm here for. You see, like, it just makes you look fresh, you know? And then now for my favorite blush, going in with the Milani powder blush in Romantic Rose. Okay, now for, we're almost done here, bitches. Whoa, that just came out. For the lower lash line, just go and do the same thing. And now you want to go in with that same black gel liner and apply that to the waterline before you do the black. Okay, so for the lips, we're doing my typical nude lip combo that I'm obsessed with. So going in with MAC Stripdown, should probably sharpen it first. So after we line our lips, going in with MAC Honey Love. And then for lip gloss, going in with the Buxom lip gloss in Hot Toddy. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.